Hey guys, welcome back to the Green Family Lifestyle TV, guys. Today we have an epic showdown that one.
My cup overflow with joy so mighty. Every little moment, me hold it tightly.
Tell my brother, tell my sister too. God bless me.
Yeah, my cat's them out.
They posing for the camera, done. Yeah, they posing. You see them?
For real. The man one, the white one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chip. For real.
Yeah, they got kids in the car too.
Yeah.
That was a nice ride through. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
You see when you have life and family beside you and love in your heart, you rich already run the rhythm. Life's sweet when you live it